Why are people moving to Wellen Park in 2025? In this video, I'm going to cover some of the main reasons. Right behind me, well, all around me is one of them, the downtown. You can see behind me, there's some new buildings going up for phase 2. We got a splash pad here for the kids, playground over there. Lots of new restaurants coming to the area, lots here already. And then the walking trails that go all around it that I'm going to be walking throughout this video. All that together is part of why a lot of people are loving this area. That's the first and foremost reason, is just this. Second would be all the other new things that are coming to the area as far as like commercial shopping, the new Costco that was built about a year ago, and a lot more coming along Tamiami Trail, more infrastructure, more services such as the HCA hospital. There's a Sarasota Memorial Campus Hospital coming to the area, and just a whole lot more. You put all that together and it brings this buzz to the area and excitement with lots of new things to do, lots of things coming, and the sense of being part of something that's bigger and going to get better. That brings me to the third main reason. Getting in now makes sense for a lot of reasons. The first, though, is if it's going to get bigger and better and more people are going to move to the area, well, what that means is appreciation, right? Over time, prices are going to go up. Now, right now, we're kind of in a flat-ish market and maybe slightly trending down. And there's a lot of builders that are getting some amazing incentives right now, which is why now in 2025, a lot of people are looking to move to the area because it makes sense. Like from a financial standpoint, like you can get a lot of great incentives from a lot of the builders right now and take advantage of those, and then over time watch the appreciation start to build up. I think you can't go wrong with that. That's a huge win and makes it a great time right now to consider getting into this area if it's an area you've had your eye on. And actually, speaking of new things, they're starting to get that parking lot over there paved, and they got some new I don't know what that is, if that's a little agility course for dogs or kids or what that is. That's new though. Oh, and actually over here too, some more land being prepared for more downtown amenities. And actually, to go further on that, over here, this is where the hospitals or the hotel is going to be, and that there's a pre-K over here that was recently built, and they're filling in between all those gaps. So super exciting. The next big reason, fourth, I think we're on, I'm losing count already, but would be basically the interconnectivity. So, and the lifestyle that comes with all of it. So what I mean by that is, you're getting a bunch of different planned communities. So if you don't understand what a master plan community is, that's what Wellen Park is, and I'm going to explain exactly what that is right here. So there's a bunch of different separated communities. Most of them are going to be gated throughout Wellen Park. Each community is going to have its own HOA and some amenities within it. So some don't have any amenities outside of maybe having sidewalks and streetlights. A lot of them are going to have like a pool. Some are going to have maybe a couple pools, resort style pools. Some will have a dog park. Some will maybe have tennis and pickleball courts and maybe a basketball court. You know, it just depends on the community. Each one's going to have different levels of what they're going to include. They're going to have different HOA fees and restrictions. And whichever community you live in, you get access to the things within that community. Now, it's master planned because all those communities are very well connected. Once you get outside the gates, there's sidewalks and infrastructure and things like that being built, and trails that connect them to this downtown, which is part of what makes it a master plan community, is that this downtown is kind of built for all the communities. So it doesn't matter which community you live in, or if you don't even live in any of the communities. I don't live in any of those communities, and I got access to this. By the way, if you do want to buy or sell a home anywhere from Sarasota down to Port Charlotte, Inglewood areas, Wellen Park included, or the entire Orlando metro, get a hold of our team, 941-221-1897. We know a lot about the area. We've helped a lot of people move and avoid mistakes and just shortcut the process of being able to find things that you just can't find online and just get, answers quicker. So definitely get a hold of us. We love hearing from you guys. But all that interconnectivity and walkability is one thing that really adds to the vibe of the area. So they've started to turn Tamiami Trail into a little bit more of a manicured looking thing. It feels a little bit more like part of a city now. They've lowered the speed limit through parts of it to make it a little more conducive for walking and connecting people from different communities, and making it, more open for people to try to walk from their community here. And within all the communities, you're talking about lots of trails, and then the downtown. lots of trails. Not every community is going to have trails, not to give you the wrong impression, but there's a lot like Island Walk that has a lot of trails and things like that that you can walk in. Definitely get a hold of our team again if you're looking to buy or sell in any of them, and we can kind of give you a better sense for what's in each community. But the trails and nature is a big part that's integrated with everything in Wellen Park, the downtown included. So you can see I'm on a trail here with lots of nature. Looks like behind me, they're turning this into something that's going to be a little more developed. But as we head back over here, you're going to see a lot more nature still. Like they're keeping a lot of that integrated and part of Wellen Park, which is cool. So you kind of get the best of both worlds. You get a nice mix of suburbia meets urban meets nature and country feel. So you kind of can get all three within a very small area. And I think that's really, really cool and something different. So I think that's kind of like the way of the future, you know, for a lot of people. It kind of brings together a lot of the desires that people have out of an area to live. Next big reason a lot of people are moving to Wellen Park is because of what's actually not allowed on this little spot, but they actually had to let you know, golf carts. They actually have to tell you, hey, you can't have your golf cart here. That means just about everywhere else it's pretty golf cart friendly, and that's pretty sweet. You know, it comes back to kind of that nature, being outside, getting in the sun, living that tropical lifestyle. Golf carts are part of that, especially in Florida. So it's a super golf cart friendly area. The downtown actually has got like designated golf cart parking spots. A lot of the planned communities, by their like community center or gym or pool area that they have, a lot of times it's kind of all three to get together combined in one building, but those will often have designated golf cart parking spots as well. So again, it's kind of part of the style of living in Florida, but not everywhere in Florida is that conducive to that. And Wellen Park said, hey, when we make this, we're going to definitely make sure that's part of what the lifestyle is here. And they've made it very convenient for that. Oh, and one other thing to point out, a lot of the roads in the area, they actually have a designated golf cart lane to drive in. So again, they've set it up for people to live that golf cart lifestyle. Next big reason, and I think this might be one of the biggest and the best reasons that a lot of people are moving to Wellen Park. I guess maybe the downtown and all the things coming to the area would be one of the other big ones, but I think this is what draws a lot of people. You are talking about living in a planned community, master plan community, not just anywhere. You're living in a master plan community within minutes to beaches. And you cannot say that about any other master plan community in Florida right now that's like brand new. I shouldn't say any other, but very few, and especially on this level. It's one of the fastest growing in the entire United States. And it's for a reason, and that's one of the reasons. You're talking about being able to get to beaches in about 15 minutes, give or take. It depends on what community you're in and what beach you're trying to get to. But a 15-minute drive is not bad at all, especially when you're talking about brand new master plan community, brand new downtown, lots of exciting things coming to the area. And because of that positioning, you're also talking about being close to other cities and amenities. So a lot of those beaches are going to be in other cities such as Inglewood and Venice. And so Venice has its own downtown. It's got its own walkable areas like this. It's got obviously the beaches. It's got Sharky's on the pier. It's got the jetty. Inglewood's got their downtown. They've got their kind of like downtown feeling area across from the beach. A couple other quieter beaches if you want more nature-centric beaches. You can get lots of prehistoric shark teeth and seashells on Casperson Beach, really all the beaches in this area. We have a dog beach in Venice where you can have your dog off a leash, which isn't very common. And so you're getting access to all that stuff within, I'd say, about tops of about a 25-minute drive. But for a lot of things that you would be looking to get to, and whatever community you may be coming from in Wellen Park, you're talking about a 15 to 20-minute drive. And that's a pretty huge win. And I think that's one of the biggest reasons a lot of people are choosing this area, because they want new, they want a planned community that looks nice. They want some of the excitement that comes with the new downtown and the new shopping amenities coming to the area. And they want a new construction home with a little bit more peace of mind, newer building codes, plus again, all the incentives that are coming right now to, with a lot of the builders trying to get product moving because things have kind of slowed down over the last few years. So you put all that together, and I really think, like, if you are looking to buy in Wellen Park area, or really Southwest Florida, like, now is a really good time, especially if you're looking to go that new construction route. Because I think once we see interest rates going down, a lot of these incentives and things like that might start to go away, because you probably start to see demand start to pick up again. But if you are looking to buy or sell a home in this area, get a hold of our team, 941-221-1897. We'd love to help you shortcut the process, avoid mistakes. And the other big thing is, like, if you're looking to buy new construction, if you go to the builder and then you want us to help you, too late. we won't legally be able to help you. So if you do want us to help you out and have someone look at the house as it's being built, because a lot of you guys are coming from out of state, and make sure that the process is being done on time, because timing is big when you're selling a different home and moving into a new one, number one. But number two, just having us keep an eye on it to make sure things are being done properly with the home. Get a hold of us before you go to the builders, and we can represent you and making sure that, you know, we can shortcut the process for you and that you're getting the best possible deal too. That's the other thing. A lot of people don't realize you're not paying for us to help you. There's a budget that they have built into their marketing budget to pay for us to help you. So it's not costing you anything extra, but you're getting us to represent you versus them representing themselves and helping you. So get a hold of us, 941-221-1897. We'd love to help you out. If you want to know more about what it's like to live in Wellen Park, check out this video right here. Thanks for watching, and live breezy.